Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your keyboard and keycaps. This is something I have been doing for a couple years now, and I feel like more people need to know how to clean their keyboard because not enough people do it. Your keyboard is more disgusting than you think. It's like your phone. It's probably as dirty as your phone, if anything. So make sure you take care of it and make sure you clean it. Before we get into this video, please leave a like if you enjoy this video and follow my socials and subscribe to my channel because I want to hit 900 subscribers in 2024 and I would really appreciate if you would help me get there. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Let's do this. Make sure you have these. You have a keycap holder like this. I think these honestly work the best, but you also have these, which are like, I guess more ergonomic, but I think these are the best. And a duster of some sort, so electric, which is what I have, or just get like one of the compressed airs. Those work. And a soft bristle brush, like one of these, which goes on the duster, or just like a hand one. You also want to make sure you have a bowl of some sort, maybe not one this big, but just like a bowl, like medium-sized bowl. And you want like a mild soap, so like I'm gonna use Dawn dish soap, but you could also just use like, I don't know, soft soap or something. Just it needs to be mild, not like for scraping car grease or anything, but just mild, like hand soap. And warm water. If you don't have access to warm water, I don't know what to tell you. You can do with cold water, just warm water works the best. Take a picture of your keyboard so you know where everything goes, or if you have a regular keyboard, you can just look it up. Take your keycaps off the keyboard with a keycap puller. I don't advise you using your fingers, but if you really don't have a puller, just try to be as gentle as you can with your fingers. Now what you want to do is get a bowl, put your keycaps in it, and fill the bowl with a small amount of dish soap, and then fill the rest with warm water, but not too hot of water that you run the risk of melting your keycaps. Once your water gets filled, move the keycaps around with your hand. Now let your soapy water and keycaps sit for about an hour. Some people like to do 15 to 20 minutes, but I think 1 hour is just better to maximize how much dirt gets off your keycaps. While the keycaps are being cleaned, get a can of compressed air or an electric air duster, which I am going to be using in this video, and blow the dust off of the keyboard. Please do not use a vacuum because it creates static electricity, which could harm your keyboard. Then get a soft bristle brush and wipe away the remaining visible dirt off of the keyboard. You can be more aggressive with the brush, but just be cautious if you have lube on your keyboard because you don't want to smear that everywhere. If your keyboard has an LCD screen like mine, I like to wipe the screen with an alcohol pad and the rest of the keyboard body with some Q-tips to get rid of all of the oils and residue on the keyboard body. Just be careful with how much alcohol you apply to your Q-tips as they absorb a lot and you don't want any alcohol seeping into the internals of your keyboard. So just be careful with that. Once it's been an hour, put the bowl under the sink and run the water till all the visible soap suds have exited the bowl. Make sure when you run the water is cold and not hot or warm. Then carefully dump the water from the bowl and try to be careful to keep the keycaps in the bowl as you probably don't want them touching your sink or going down the drain. One suggestion I have, I didn't do it in the video, is maybe using a strainer of some sort. Give the keycaps one more rinse, remove them from the bowl, and wipe them with a towel or paper towel to remove all the moisture. And lay them with the letter or symbol facing upwards for a couple of hours until they dry on top of a towel. If a couple keycaps are not dry after a couple of hours, you could either start putting the rest of the keycaps on while they dry or just give the keycaps a bit longer to dry. Now I think this is the most fun step. Put your keycaps on. Make sure to utilize the picture you took earlier and carefully put your keycaps on. I think this is the most fun part as it is so satisfying to put your keyboard together again. And voila, your keyboard is clean. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully I really helped you out, and let me know in the comments down below if you were motivated to clean your keyboard using this video, because that would make me feel good. that I'm making people clean their keyboards. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel with post notifications on, and follow my socials, all linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one. Peace.